protective styling using a fork locks. Yeah, it's a tongue twister for me, just mentioning and pronouncing it. It's a tongue twister. So this is a protective styling that I'm wearing for this season. I'm trying it out for the second time, and I want to believe it's going to be a good protective style. It was easy to install, and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy. It's not heavy on your hair. And I don't have the photos. I think if I will check and see if I have some photos, but I am still growing out my hair. I'm still growing my natural hair, and it has really improved. It's still thicker and fuller. If I have some photos, I'll be posting them. My hair now is reaching just under the ear. Yeah, and I'm still growing out my hairline. There's an improvement. I've not been working on it. I've not really paid a lot of attention, but there is a significant there's significant improvement. There's significant improvement. So this is my protective styling. Let me know what you people think. If you're interested, you can check the link provided. These are affiliate links at no extra cost to you. And let me know some of the protective styles that you use is you just want to cover up your hair and to grow out your hair. Thank you for always connecting. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you. Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this video, I'll be showing you the protective styling that I'm having at this particular moment. These are fork locks. Yeah, that's a tongue twister. Yeah, they are locks, and they are very light. They are not heavy. They are not heavy. This is the second time I'm installing them, so I just want to use it as a protective style for this. It's a bit cold here in my country, so I just want to protect my hair. I have 4C hair, and my hair tends to shrink a lot. Yeah, it tends to encounter a lot of shrinkage because it's a 4C. Almost all of it, slightly at the back, I think it's 4B, but most of my hair is 4C. So it tends to shrink and encounter a lot of shrinkage, and it has it continues to grow. It has grown to under my ears. I don't know if I have some photos. If I do, I'm going to be showing you. I have not been working so much on my hairline, but you can see there's a significant improvement. Yeah, there are hairs that are growing because I've not actually paid so much attention to that. I think I'll be going back to my rose water and clove water, and my, what is it called, castor oil. My Jamaican black castor oil actually grew the hair back. And there's something I want to try out also, rosemary. I've been hearing a lot of about rosemary, so I'll be making rosemary oil, and I'm going to be trying out. So those are some of the things that I've found to greatly improve whenever I get to it. Maintaining natural hair is not easy, but it's worth it. It's worth it because my hair has actually grown. It has the Jamaica black castor oil made my hair thicker and fuller. Yeah, and the good thing with Jamaica black castor oil, you don't have to use a lot. It's a very thick oil. You just need to use very little. I've used over the life cycle of my natural hair, I've actually used 2 bottles. I've actually used 2.5 bottles, not more than 3. Yeah, not more than 3. Yeah, and I've had natural hair from, I think I cut my hair in 2017, and I kept it on for several years, and then there's a time for 1 year I texturized it, and then I got it, I trimmed the edges, that texturized part, And for the last 4 years or so, yeah, or 3 years, I have grown out my hair up to under the ear, and this is when it's still not stretched. So if I stretch it, I think it should be able to be somewhere here, as it should be slightly more, some inch longer, yeah, if I stretch it out. I'm going to post that if I have it. I don't want to make any promises. I don't want to say something that I may not be able to do. So let me know what kind of protective style you're using to protect your hair, and that is going to be fantastic. If you're not subscribed to Transformed Lifestyle, I want you to please consider subscribing. Transform Lifestyle is about entrepreneurship, personal development, making money online, healthy living, beauty, and lifestyle. So if these topic or niches are of interest to you, please consider subscribing and like the video, guys. Just because I took time to put out the video, please just like, so that also YouTube can push it out to more people. I am now focusing on reaching 1,000 subscribers, so I'm on my journey to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And also you can go to the link in the description. I have some affiliate links. When you click and purchase, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you, and that is just going to help support my channel, and that is going to be a great blessing. If you would love to work with me on any of anything, just shoot me an email, and we can find out if we are a good fit, and we can take it to the next level. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for always returning to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you people. You are amazing. So please go to the link in the description and watch the playlist. Watch the playlist, and to subscribe, you just need to go to that button that you see under the video. It's a red button, and next to it is a bell button. What you need to do is to click it. When you click it, YouTube is going to notify you whenever I post a new video on any of these topics: personal development, entrepreneurship, making money online, healthy living, beauty, and lifestyle. So let me know in the comments below what protective style you're using, or what protective style you use just to protect your natural hair, and that is going to be fantastic. Enjoy the rest of your day.